When you consider the definition of big data alone, it discusses large amounts of data that can't be processed by traditional tools, which I think is really interesting considering the way we're moving towards a more digitized age. And with digital, everything digital is getting better, everything's improving, which comes into the idea of computer learning.
Yeah.
Now, computer learning is basically, computers have gotten so smart that they're now able to learn for themselves. They almost start evolving themselves. TED Talk from Jeremy Howard sort of discussed that he could type in a dog breed, the face of a dog breed, and he would get only pictures of this dog breed. It'd search it up so it knows it's not just picking up keywords, it's not just picking up ID numbers or anything like that. It's actually understanding the picture, picking up the picture, and then being able to process that, which I think is incredible.
It goes along the lines of artificial intelligence, where
for sure.
where the intelligence is able to come from face recognition, voice recognition, and recognition of patterns and trends that of when something is happening. So for example, Snapchat. Right now, you're able to tap on the screen and it recognizes people's faces, and then you're able to add stuff to it.
Yeah. It's so simple now.
Yeah, it's wicked. Yeah, and then the Google Assistant right now is when you first set it up, you have to say, "Okay, Google," 3 times, so it recognizes your voice, and then it will register to your voice, which is pretty freaky how it can understand how you speak.
Another thing was another TED Talk that I did look at, went to on the opening night, that was in Newmarket, was discussing drones and the advertising that they'd be playing in the future, with facial recognition, which is kind of going off your whole Snapchat idea. But basically we're going to be having these drones flying around, sort of following us around, that is going to be able to recognize our face and pick up on how our emotions are towards the advertising. So I mean, if it's something that you like his obsession with puppies, if he says puppies in the advertising, then he's going to have a positive reaction, and then he's just going to have this drone flying around behind him showing him advertisements of puppies, kind of thing, which I think is quite. We're going to have to figure out the pros and cons to that, and privacy issues that comes with, because I feel like that would get pretty annoying pretty quickly if you're walking down the streets of Auckland getting followed around by a drone.